Welcome to our fourth module in our 12 steps to playing the piano. On this module, you're going to learn how to create your first piece and how also to use the pedals. So if you are using perhaps a keyboard, you might just have one pedal. If you have a grand piano or a baby grand piano, you're gonna have 3 pedals, and if you have an upright piano also, you're gonna have 3 pedals, and they have different functions. So if I don't use the pedal, the sound ends pretty quickly, okay? If I press the pedal, notice what happens. You have the sound being carried through without necessarily holding the note there. So what happens if you want to play something on the black key? So like we learned on the previous class with the black and the white keys, the piano, it's a pattern instrument. So you're gonna have 2 black keys and then 3 black keys, 2 black keys, and then 3 black keys all throughout, okay? It's gonna be really, really, really beautiful when you hold the right pedal. So if you hold the right pedal and you play on the black keys, really, it's going to sound great. There will be no wrong sounds. So check this out. Okay, so what happens here is when I'm playing those black keys, the sound, they get to be mixed and they blend really beautifully. So you can actually come up with your very first piece all on your own without ever even learning how to read the notes, just simply by understanding this principle, okay? We do have to keep within those black keys, those 2 black keys and 3 black keys. You can mix if you wanted to do 3 and 2 black keys, but for the purpose of the video, let's do the left hand on the 2 black keys, the right hand on the 3 black keys. So I'm gonna play those 5 notes and I'm gonna change the order without really moving around too much, just for some experiment. So that way you can mix the notes and it's going to sound very, very nice. With this position, I like to end with this black key, my second finger on this key. It usually tends to have a nice ending to it. If you want to explore it a little more, you can go all the way up and then try it out and see what it's going to sound like. Or you can even go down. That way you have a greater variety of sounds. With this exercise, we will also be thinking about the heartbeat of the music. And all that is just a 1, 1, 1, 1. So as you play, you're going to be feeling and perhaps even saying to help you keep track of that, and then do 1 note at a time. So you go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Super easy, and then take some time to practice, absorb that exercise, do it many times over. Very important to be listening to the sounds as you do it. And a grand piano or a baby grand piano, the other pedals would have different features. They would be doing different things, and that will be for a later module. So follow me on our next lesson.